Hi children, now let's continue with the same exercise, last exercise of this chapter, linear equation and in single variable. Here the question is, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. We have a rational number in the cell which is in the form of P by Q. We will have something in the numerator and also in the denominator. They have said that the denominator of this number is greater than its numerator. So only if I know what is numerator, I will be able to write the denominator. So I consider the numerator to be x and the denominator is 8 greater than that numerator. So I will write x plus 8. Okay. If the numerator is increased by 17, now I am going to increase this numerator by 17. So I will get x plus 17. Then what am I doing? And the denominator is decreased. So subtract 1 from it. If I do that, what do I get? I get a rational number which is equal to 3 by 2. So this is my required equation. Okay. Did you understand how we got this equation? First we have numerator and the denominator is greater than that numerator by 8. Then the numerator is increased by 17. Denominator is decreased by 1. So we get the fraction to be 3 by 2. Okay, now they are asking us, what is this fraction? There will be a fraction. If I simplify it, we will get 3 by 2. If I cancel it, no, that answer will be 3 by 2. That is the meaning here. Okay. So the solution is, let the numerator be x and the denominator is x plus 8. That's what I said now. And if I add 17 in the numerator and decrease my 1 in the denominator, I get 3 by 2. So what will be the next step? Yes, cross multiplication. 2 into x plus 17. 3 into x plus, this 8 minus 1 is 7. So we have x plus 7 here. Now it is very simple for you. These things are you are familiar and you can do it. 2 into x 2x, 2 into 17 34, 3 into x 3x, 7 3s are 21. Everything is written here. Now what is the next step? Transpose. So 3x comes to the left hand side, 34 goes to right hand side. Okay. So 2x minus 3x is minus x, which is equal to 21 minus 34 is minus 13. And here we divide by minus sign, both side minus 1. So we get x is equal to 13. Is it clear? Okay. Now the numerator is 13 and the denominator is 13 plus 8. That's what we considered in the beginning. Isn't it? So in the place of numerator I have 13. In the place of denominator I have 21. If I add 17 to 8 and subtract 1 in the denominator, what do I get now? 20, 30. Isn't it? Here, what do I get? 21 minus 1? 20. And if I cancel this, I get 3 by 2. That's what we had it in the equation. Isn't it? So our solution is the right solution. Is it clear, my dear children? Shall we move to the next question? Yes. Here in this question, we are going to deal with the ages. Already I have told you, whenever we come across ages, let us have a table. Here I didn't do the table in a slide because now you would have practiced all these things. So it will be easy for me. Okay. There are two persons. One is Anu and Raj. In the ratio, present age of them is in the ratio 4:5. With this I stop and I can say Anu's age is 4x and Raj's age is 5x. Will you all agree? Let me have, this is Anu and this is Raj. And present age I have P. PR, present age. Anu's name is first. So the first number goes to Anu's. So 4x is Anu's age. And what is Raj's age? It is 5x. And now after 8 years, what will be their ages? After. So it is addition 4x plus 8. And here I will get 5x plus 8. What condition have they stated after 8 years? They are saying that after 8 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be. How will we define ratio? Yes, one divided by the other. Which has to be divided by the other? Which should come first in the numerator? Is it 4x plus 8 or 5x plus 8 in the numerator? Surely, Anu's age should come in the numerator. Once the order is fixed in the beginning, throughout the end of the problem, you should maintain that order. If you change the order now, see if you write 5x here and 4x here, it's wrong. And even if you change the position here, it is wrong. Once the order is fixed, it is fixed throughout the problem. So the ratio will be 4x plus 8 divided by 5x plus 8 is equal to 5 by 6. This is the ratio they have given, 5 divided by 6. This ratio can be written as 5 by 6. So whatever I said in words, I have listed down as points. Either you can go in for table format or in the word format. Any one is enough. Don't write both the things, table as well as these statements. It's waste of time and waste of energy. Okay, so write any one, that's more than enough. But let statement alone is compulsory. Let should be there. Without let, don't write table. Let is compulsory. After that, all these things no need to write if you write the table. Okay, let the present ages be 4x and 5x. After 8 years, their ages are 4x plus 8 and 5x plus 8. Therefore, the ratio is 5 by 6. So, I get an equation. 4x plus 8 divided by 5x plus 8 is equal to 5 by 6. With this equation, we have to simplify to get their present ages, 4x and 5x. Ultimately, I have to find their present ages, 4 into x and 5 into x. Okay, don't stop with just by finding the value of x. Don't make this mistake. Okay, to start with, we do cross multiplication. 6 into 4x plus 8, 5 into 5x plus 8. So 6 4s are 24, 6 8s are 48. 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40. Then what will you do? Transpose. 48 comes to right hand side. So minus x is equal to minus 8. With this I can say x is equal to plus 8. So Anu's present age is 4 into x. 4 8s are 32 years and Raj's present age is 5 8s are 40 years. Is it clear, my dear children? Okay. Now, next question is, if x percent, this is not in your textbook, but we have learned this type of question last year in comparing quantities chapter in percentage. Do you remember? See, even here we come across the letter x. We come across equations. So, this chapter is a combination of all the chapters in this book. You should be thorough with all the concepts and that has been applied in this chapter. Or I can say algebra is everywhere. This solving equations, this variables are everywhere in Maths book. Hereafter, you will come across variables every time. Okay. So we get x percent of 50. X percent in the sense x by 100 of into 50 is 10. So what is x? We just cancel it. 0, 0. Hope these things are very simple for you. 1, 5 is 5, 2, 5, 10. So we will have x by 2 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 2s are 20. I just showed you this because in exam, if you come across problem which is not in the text and which has the application of this linear equation, you should do it. You should not say, ma'am, we don't know percentage, we don't know ratio. No excuses. Okay? Practice more and get trained. Now, here are a few 1 marks that I felt like discussing with you. If a and b are positive integers, then the solution of the equation ax is equal to b has to be always. See, this is also positive. This is also positive. So when this get transposed to this side, again it will be in positive or negative? It will be in positive because here the relationship is multiplication. It just get transposed to the division only, plus a only. So the answer is plus positive. You can also get a question if a and b are negative integers. So you will have minus some number. I don't know what the number is. X is equal to again minus b. Both are negative. I say left hand side also I have negative. This also negative. What will happen? If a and b are negative, minus minus get cancelled, you will get the answer as again positive. Don't take over the answer as negative. Okay, this is for this type of equation. Now, if I give you another equation like x plus a is equal to b. If I say b is positive and a is negative, what will be the value of x? Will it be greater than b or will it be less than b? Yes, it will be greater than b. If the a is a negative number, when it gets transposed, it becomes positive number. So we will add two positive numbers. Surely it will be greater than b. So you should analyze the question even if the value is not given. Surely you will get a question on this basis. See, if similarly, if you have x minus a is equal to b. The same question. I say b as positive and a as negative. Again the same option I am asking. Is it value of x is greater than b or less than b? I am giving you only two choices. Is it greater than b or less than b? How will you decide? Be careful. If you have minus sign here, the negativity of this a gets cancelled. See, minus into minus, you will become plus here in the left hand side itself. Here when it get transposed to this side, it will come as minus a. So I am subtracting a from b. Surely it will be less than b. X will be less than b in this situation. Here x will be greater than b. See, I have shown you only one question here, but I have discussed with you 4 questions. Is it clear? Okay. So the next question is linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable has only one variable with any power. Power raised to 4, power raised to 5. Is it possible? No. Only one term with a variable. Will there be only one term? No. Only one variable with power 1. Yes, this is the right answer. Okay, the next question is which of the following is the linear expression? These are very simple for you. Here we have power 2 and this is constant term and this is the linear expression. A linear equation in one variable has only one solution or more than one solution or no solution or two solution. We will have only one solution. Surely you will have only one exact solution for a linear equation in one variable. If there are two variables, this is not the answer. We will discuss it in higher class. Okay. So the next thing is fun for you. Just read all these points with full concentration. Okay. I am not going to read it out. You are going to read it out slowly within 1 minute. Come on, make it fast. If you want, you can pass it and read slowly. Okay. I cannot wait for a long time in this video session. Hope you will enjoy this. Okay, children. And it's time to wind up the session. And today you will complete the whole chapter in your classwork note. All example has to be solved in your classwork note and the problems that I have discussed in slides in classwork note. And all the remaining exercise problems you should have completed in your homework note. So with this chapter is over. Okay, children. So take care, stay safe and stay healthy. I thought of telling you this. That's why I had a pass. See this game now that I taught you. Just recall this hand postures. It's an exercise for developing your concentration. I want you all people to make a video